Hello beautiful women, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Jody. And if you are like many of the people that I speak to in my life right now, friends, family, church members, there's a certain level of uncertainty in the air, and that can cause stress. And I don't know about you, but the last few weeks leading up to this really big election, I have just felt a little bit off, a little bit more stressed than usual. And I thought, what do I need to do to have more self-care without spending a fortune? And I turned to DIY masks when I'm in that space. So I wanted to share with you today 3 of my favorite DIY skincare masks to get your skin glowing and your mind refreshed and settled. So if you are ready to hear 3 of my favorite DIY skincare masks that you can do at home today with products that you probably have already in your house, because each of these masks only contain 2 ingredients. So I've got you covered if you want to hydrate your skin, if you want to brighten your skin, and or exfoliate your skin. I've got a DIY mask for each, so let's get into it. I want to start this video by saying welcome to the new members that we have joining the community. Many of you are new subscribers and I'm thrilled to have you. Over the last few weeks, I've just had more and more of you that are new say hi, that you're new in the comment section, and I so appreciate that. Not only are you saying hello to me, but you're saying hello to the other women in our community, and you've joined quite a great community. This channel is all about helping women over 50 support one another through the aging process, recognizing that sometimes it sucks, but on the other side of that, we also want to remain very grateful that we're here and positive to one another's growth and journey. So thank you for being a part of this with us. Thank you for subscribing. In fact, we're on a journey of our own to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and thanks to you and you hitting that subscriber button, we're that much closer. All right, DIY masks. This video is for everyone today, but for those of us in the US, it's been a lot of just bombarded with ads, regardless of what side you're on or what elections are going on in your area. In addition to the big presidential election, there is just a lot of ads that just make you kind of feel stressed or uncertain about things or not sure of what is coming. And so I just felt like we needed a Zen moment, and who better to Zen with than all of you. So let's start with the mask that I just did this weekend, and this is a super soothing face mask. You just need a half of a banana and a tablespoon of oatmeal. The banana hydrates your skin, while the oatmeal provides a gentle exfoliant to your skin, making it safe for the most sensitive of skin types. When it comes to the banana, I like it to be a little bit past ripe, making it easier to mash and kind of come to a mask consistency. And then when it comes to the oatmeal, I just use what I have, usually some Quaker Instant or something like that. The 5-minute oats by Quaker are a little bit bigger, and the instant are a much smaller oat. Whatever oat you have, you just want it to be ground but still soft enough to exfoliate your skin without scratching your skin. Specifically, once I've mixed the banana in the oatmeal, I like to apply this mask in circular motions because that helps the oatmeal exfoliate all around and get off that dead skin, leaving behind your refreshed, brightened skin. This mask feels really nice on the skin. I'll usually sit there for about 10 minutes and then rinse it off with some warm water, patting it dry, and applying my moisturizer. The second DIY mask is the honey and yogurt mask. This one's really easy, and not only does it provide a brightening to your skin, it also hydrates the skin. So for those of you that are feeling the dryness of the being inside where there's heater or artificial heat, this would be a great one to start with. For this one, you just add equal parts of your favorite honey and your favorite yogurt. I try to go with a plain yogurt. I don't want to add any artificial dyes, which you often see in a strawberry or a cherry yogurt, for example, to get it that nice red or pink color. It's just more dyes. So I go with a very plain yogurt, whatever yogurt you have, and then mix it in with equal parts of honey. The honey hydrates your skin while the yogurt acts as a gentle exfoliant. Now, unlike the oatmeal scrub that we talked about first, the yogurt is a gentle exfoliant and might be a better option for those of you with more sensitive skin or if you've got acne, for example. I like to apply this mask with just using my fingertips, pushing it up all over my face, avoiding the eye area, and then letting this sit on my face for about 15 minutes. and then rinsing it off with warm water and pat towel dry. This mask is perfect for a quick pick-me-up that you can do every week or right before a special occasion. You'll really notice how bright your skin looks after applying this yogurt honey mix. I love this one, especially as we get into the winter months where it's more dry. I do this one quite often. Now this third one is the one I do the least often, only because I don't always have avocados in the house. I'm a huge avocado fan, my husband not so much. So this one could be a little bit more difficult depending on where you live and what you have in your refrigerator. The avocado and olive oil mask is all about plumping and hydrating the skin. Half an avocado and a teaspoon of olive oil, and that's all you need. Avocado, as you know, is packed with good fats, and olive oil locks in that moisture for a beautiful dewy finish to your skin. For this mask, you want to apply it all over your face, paying special attention to be sure to apply this mask on the parts of your skin where you experience more dryness. For me, that's going to be right on my cheek areas and then right around my upper lip. I also like to take this mask and rub it down my neck since I'm going to be sitting there for 15 minutes anyway. I just feel like my neck as I'm getting older is a little more crepey and definitely in need of lots of hydration. I like to let this one sit also for 15 minutes and just sort of close my eyes, put on some soft music or a podcast or your favorite YouTuber in the background where you don't have to see anything, just listen and just zen out for a minute and just find a peaceful spot for 10 or 15 minutes out of the day. And like with the other masks, you'll just rinse this off gently with warm water and then pat it dry with a towel. 3 best practice tips to get the most out of these masks. You always want to apply these masks to a clean, dry face for best results. Do these once or twice a week. And tip number 3 is to always follow up these masks with your favorite moisturizer. And that's it. 3 simple DIY masks to leave your skin looking fresh, glowing, and hydrated. And you can do this as often as you want. You'll notice how beautiful and glowing your skin is after just using one of these masks. So if you're feeling a little bit stressed today, or tomorrow, or even this weekend, pull out this video and pull out some of these ingredients and allow yourself 15 minutes of peacefulness. Well, that does it for me today, you guys. I won't have a video on Friday. I have family coming into town and I want to spend every bit of time that I can with them. But if you're looking for quick bits of information of what's going on in the beauty industry and new product launches, be sure to follow me over on Instagram and or TikTok where I give you daily beauty news updates. That does it for me today, you guys. I hope you find some tranquility and set aside some time for you this week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.